came here with the intent on dry dropper fishing, but the creek's come up a little bit, so I'm gonna do some Euro nymphing, see if we can get into some fish here. Should be a good day. We're gonna find out if fish still take flies in the rains. Got a woolly bugger and a pink Euro nymph up top, size 12. I think this woolly bugger is a size 8. Go out here and see if we can get one in the rain. There we go. In the rain. Nice bow. The old bugger. Hey, bud. Fish do bite in the rain. It's a pretty bow. That's a real pretty bow. All right, broke the ice now. Nice fish. It's a nice bow. It's like the other one I caught, it's twin. Got a mouthful of bugger there, buddy. What are you doing? Another good bow on the bugger. See if we can get one up here. Another bow. Another one on the woolly bugger. Pretty fish in here. See you, dude. There's one. Another bow on the bugger. This way, bro. A little chunkier one. Nice chunky bow. There's a brown, I believe. Yeah, it's a brownie. On the pink nymph. He's switching it up today. That's a brownie on the pink nymph there. If I'm not mistaken, that's a wild fish. Sure looks, nah, that's probably a stock. Nice brown though. He took the nymph. Oh, there's a good fish. We must be sitting down here at the bottom end of this pool because I have any luck up top there. Came back down. Hooked right into another one. Well, about the same size so far. This might be the biggest one yet though. They're short striking this old squirmy worm a little bit. Got that one though. Nice brown. The squirm. That's good. Good brown. He gone. There's one. Squirmer. Another rainbow. Come here, buddy. Might be my most solid fish of the day there. Good fish. Pretty. I had a feeling they get onto the old squirmy here. Water's going up a little bit. There's another one. Gotcha, buddy. Another chunky, healthy bow. All right, you get you out of here. Another bow to the basket. Another bow. Where's your big brother at, my man? Huh? Where's your big brother? All right, calm down there, buddy. Another healthy bow. Looking for his big brother, though. We're gonna keep trying here. All right, everybody, that's a wrap for today. Got on some fish. It was a good day. Good day all in all. Got a lot of rainbows today on woolly buggers. Don't usually catch a lot of rainbows on woolly buggers, but I think the rain today and the water coming up pretty quickly had a factor in that. So got in some decent fish. No giants, but they were all pretty solid. Looking forward to getting back out again here shortly. Appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new comments on my videos. So keep that up, guys. I'm gonna keep getting better with this content here. And again, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care and good luck on the water.